this secret that I will teach you today lets beginners earn over 800 through commission. This is very simple to do and very easy to begin with. Your inbox will be full of commission notifications every single day. You can set this once and you are good to go as usual. I will be showing you a real actual example of how to do this method in 100% free, and it is available worldwide. So no matter what country you're in, you can still do this and get started with this. Watch every second of this video because I will show you free tips and bonuses that will let you earn more money than anyone else. This is USA videos and welcome to my channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. And also please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any concerns, questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Before we proceed to that video that I will show you the earning potential of this method, you can see here that you are going to earn over 200 per month, and if we are going to multiply that by 12 months, you are going to earn over 2000, but you're going to earn 30 as commission on this, and you're going to earn over 800 with just one click. Now that's pretty amazing, right? Pay attention until the end so that you don't miss out on any of the important details that I will be sharing with you. You can do this over and over again. So when you go to the home page of this website, you can see here that they have been partnered with different brands from all over the world. This means that they are very legit and this method is actually working. They have been paying their users on time too. So this is how it works. Before we continue on to this video, please leave a comment down below what country you're in right now. I want to know so we can start a conversation, and also so I can make videos based on your region. And again, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell and the thumbs up. Now let's get back on track. This website has been providing services like experience and plus products. What we are going to do here is that we recommend this product to other people and we are going to earn 30 commission again and again, and you are going to earn over $800 with this. You don't need any experience, you don't need any technical skills, and you don't need to create a video. Also, you don't need to create any website, none of that at all. I will show you the step-by-step method and how to do this. There are 3 steps that we are going to do. So first, you're going to join the program and get your referral link. I will show you how to sign up for a free worldwide account later. Step number 2, once you have referral link, you're going to share them on different social media platforms, but we're not going to focus on sharing it onto those different social media platforms. I will show you a better one later. You don't need any social media followers and any travel channel and any YouTube channel on this method. Step number 3, you are going to get your reward. You can see here that you're going to earn a 30 commission on every sale you make. You can cash out your money via PayPal, but there are different payment methods that you can use too. If you want to sign up for free account, I want you to scroll down below and look for a company section. Then I want you to click on partners. After that, you are going to land on this page. I want you to click on join now button and you're going to read it here that you can sign up and join the Proof Partner program. And on partners tab, you can sign in here using your Google account or your email account, whichever that is. The next step that we're going to do is to go to google.com. Then just type in here in search bar cooking online course. The thing that we are going to do here is we're going to find different website owners that sell online courses. Because before we continue on this video, please leave a comment down below on which country you're in right now. I want to know so we can start a conversation, and also so I can make videos based on your region. And again, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and the thumbs up. Now let's get back on track. You can also search for different categories, of course. For example, we're going to use cooking online courses. For now, after we search for cooking online courses, I want you to go to the bottom of Google and go to the 3rd page, and so on. We are not going to focus on the 1st and 2nd pages because those websites are popular and we are not going to get any referral on that page. We're going to focus on the small and medium-sized companies because you're going to get high chances that people will avail the services that you are promoting with a 30% commission on every sale. You are going to earn over 800. This is a 3rd page of Google. You are going to find a different website. So for example, this one right here or this one too. Right now, I want you to pay close attention because this is very important. Before we continue on to the video, please leave a comment down below what country you're in right now. I want to know so we can start a conversation. And also so I can make videos based on your region. And again, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell and the thumbs up. Now let's get back onto the track. For example, this video right here, now this website teaches us cooking online courses. You can refer them to the user proof program and help them grow their business and increase their sales. The next thing that you're going to do is find the contact details and of this website. Just scroll down below to the bottom of this website. So here you are going to see their email address. Basically, you're just going to send them an email and recommend the user proof program. When they're going to avail the program, you are going to earn a lot of money online. This is very good, right? The website owners can also get free demo on this user proof program. Just share the link with them and then let them join the program and collect the commission that you earned. The more people you reach, the more money you are going to earn. That's how you can earn money with this method. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have learned something today. This is USA Videos and I will see you in the next video. Bye.